Welcome to the fourth video. Here I'll teach you how to multiply and divide two numbers using C++ codes. Okay. I'll start the point. First I'll write the command. Multiplication, division of two numbers. And moreover, you must know these things. This sign denotes quotient and this sign denotes remainder. Okay. This sign denotes the product. Okay, these three signs in the problem you must be familiar with. Now I start the code. Now taking the main function. Let us be using the variables a and b for taking inputs from the user, and then product for keeping the value of multiplication and division for saving the value of after division. Then I'll take the inputs. Take the first number, then user will input a. Copy pasting this. Just replace first with second. In place of b. So I took input from the user A and B. Now I have to write for formulas. So product equal to A cross B. Division equal to A by B. And somewhere you just mention B not equal to 0. Okay, up to this fine. Then I wrote the formulas also. Now I'll take the I'll print the you can print simply just like this. Product equal to this statement will print the value of product equal to A cross B. Division value equal to my program is ready now. Then the last statement will be return 0. I'll save the program. Compile this. No errors. Run. The first number let be 30. Second number let be 3. 30 into 3 is 19. 30 by 3 is 10. Okay, this is how you do multiplication, division in C++. But If sometimes it happens that it will not be a proper, let I am dividing 30 by 7, then it is not a proper fraction, it will not come into proper fraction. So at that time what you will do, I'll be introducing, I'll be just changing something, subdivision. I will write quotient and remainder. Okay, everything will be same, just I'll write here quotient equal to this, remainder equal to a percentage b. Okay, you must use a percent b for getting the remainder. Everything will be same, just quotient equal to remainder equal to remainder. Okay, now my program is ready. I'll save the program and execute. Run. The first number is 35, second number is 4. Product is 140, quotient is 8, remainder is 3. These are due to simple coding for getting of doing the multiplication and division of two numbers. Okay, so this is up to the 4th lecture. Now I will teach you how to print the multiples of a given number in the 5th lecture. Okay, thank you.